non-professional chef.
Merry Christmas to everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to extract the collagen from beef bones. Beef bones are rich in collagen, which is an essential protein that helps your skin supple, your joints healthy, and your hair shiny. It also helps to keep you energized and helps your body heal itself. Here I have a piece of grass-fed beef bone. It weighs about 1.7 kilograms, which is equivalent to 3.7 pounds. Cut it into smaller pieces, so it can easily fit into the cooking pan and to be extracted. You can cut the bone by yourself if you have the right tool, or the butcher could cut it into smaller pieces for you. So it would be easier to extract minerals and collagen from the bone with the help of apple cider vinegar. The acid of any kind of vinegar will make the extraction easier. Just be careful when cutting the bone. Wash clean the pieces from any dirt. Prepare for boiling, and make sure the water level is a couple of inches above the bones. Before adding anything else, let it boil for 30 minutes. Prepare the veggies, seasonings, and the vinegar. I added carrots and onion. You can add celery as well. And the seasonings are bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Also, 2 tablespoons of salt and any kind of vinegar. After about half an hour, remove the bones and get rid of the dirty water. Rinse the bones with tap water. Drop the bones in the pressure cooker with new boiling water. Again, make sure that the water level is about 2 inches above the bones. Now we add the vinegar and the salt. Also, we add the seasoning as well. And the carrots and onions too. Cover and cook for half an hour first, over medium-high heat. Then turn heat down to medium-low for another 1.5 hours. After only 2 hours time. Usually, it takes up to 4 hours of cooking. Wow, it smells so nice. First, you will need to remove the big pieces of bones. Then use the sieve for the straining, as you see in the video. Notice the sauce is much darker in color, as it is rich in nutrients and collagen. Put it aside until it cools down. Then refrigerate overnight until it congeals and becomes gelatinous. Slowly skim the top fat layer and get rid of it. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel. Slowly, by using a spoon, separate the sticking rim to the inner part of the glass bowl. Turn the glass bowl upside down using a plate. With a knife or any other object, allow some air to go in between, and it will come off easily. There you have it. Pure collagen full of natural nutritions. Divided into smaller pieces, so you can use them with soups or dissolve with hot water for daily drinking. Collagen may increase muscle mass, prevent bone loss, relieve joint pain, and improve skin health by reducing wrinkles and dryness. So you will have a youthful look. Finally, and as a reminder, healthy skin and joints are not overnight processes, but the improvements will be obvious.